Is your Scania truck key fob displaying key not detected or an open case warning? A dead battery is often the culprit. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. First, identify the correct battery, typically a CR232 or CR2450. Check your fob's manual for specifics. You'll also need a small flat screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gently pry open the fob case, usually at the seam on the back or side. Be careful not to force it to avoid the open case error. Remove the old battery, noting its polarity. Clean any corrosion on the contacts with a soft cloth. Insert the new battery with the correct orientation. Firmly snap the case back together. Test the fob by approaching your truck. If the key not detected message persists, reprogram the fob via the vehicle's onboard computer, often found under Settings, Accessories. Replacing the battery is low cost, around $5 for a CR2032 lithium coin cell, and takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Common issues include the open case warning and key not detected errors. To avoid open case, ensure case clips align properly during reassembly and avoid excessive force. For key not detected errors, reset by cycling the ignition or holding the fob near the reader. To prevent problems, use quality OEM-recommended batteries as generics fail prematurely. Cold weather, frequent use, and moisture shorten battery life. If under warranty, get professional servicing. Newer models have Bluetooth apps for checking battery status. Scania is moving to rechargeable key fobs and digital access. Check forums like Reddit and YouTube channels like Truck Tech Pro for help.